The timing chain kit market is seeing a lot of growth as OEMs transition away from using belts to using chains. This is a great opportunity to work with your shop customers to ensure that they have the right product, knowledge, and tools for upcoming timing chain repairs. Timing chains should always be replaced if they are damaged, show signs of chain stretch, or start creating noise. A sound from the front of the engine is likely an indication that timing chain guides and tensioners may be worn past the service life. A thorough inspection should be conducted to ensure a timing chain replacement is warranted. In some instances, a new engine may be needed or a PCM code needs to be tested and verified. Always troubleshoot timing system-related PCM codes before servicing the engine. Once it's confirmed that a timing chain repair is required, let's talk about how to tackle the job. Almost all timing chain jobs call for the use of very specific tools, whether it's a crank holding tool, a cam lock pin tool, or a pulley puller. If you don't typically stock these types of tools, they can be ordered from the OE dealer or a number of reputable tool companies. Next, recommend a complete kit for the repair. It'll save time and ensure a thorough job is conducted. This timing chain kit from Dayco includes all the components needed for the job: chains, precision machined crank sprockets and cam sprockets, tensioners, guides, and seals. These kits also include VVT solenoids and cam phasers if the application calls for it. There's a QR code on the side of the panel that provides access to complete installation instructions, including torque specifications. And if your customer needs more specific guidance, you can suggest a quick visit to the training section of the Dayco site. Suggest products backed by warranty to help ease any concerns your tech customer may have during the installation. This one offers a 2-year or 60,000-mile warranty on parts and labor when professionally installed. Now, onto the last couple tips before wrapping up any timing chain job. Always suggest changing the oil and filter using OE recommended oil. And if the water pump will be removed during the process, it's a good time to replace it with a new pump. Thanks for watching.